Hey guys, my name is Chuka, short for Bachelun.
Okay.
Anyway, so in this video I'm going to talk about work and travel program for students. Mainly I'm going to focus on how to prepare for the interview. So first of all, work and travel is a program for students, mainly college students, who wants to spend their summer in the United States and travel, but not spending too much money. For me, I've been participating in this program for 3 years.
Ta-da!
After the first year, I've decided to become a mentor. So basically what I do is I help other students with their interviews, work interview as well as the visa interview. I've worked with many classes. So furthermore, I'm going to be making videos about how to answer the possible questions for the visa interview. So they're gonna include general questions, questions about work, housing, and travel, and last but not least, it's very important, about your rights in the United States. If you're interested, subscribe and wait for my next video. It's coming very soon.